That was. I don't. Quick time.
HoonTV!
We're just here checking out how clean this front windscreen is. We're going to plug your YouTube channel or what?
Always plug the YouTube channel. Dean G Fabrications. Get about it.
Get all up in and around.
Subscribe.
Yes. Tick all of them. And the bell for notifications.
See? Someone's been doing this longer than I have.
I've been here before and I'm like, there's a barrow, there's a barrow, there's a barrow. There's barrows everywhere. There's a wheel.
Just need to pick apart.
Yeah.
The pick apart song in the background.
Just, you know, doing like a casual overhead weld there. What are you doing, a shoot mount? Yeah. Nice.
Tell me if you're comfy. It's not even close to done.
Didn't even set the roof on fire, mate. That's good. Yeah.
Tell me if you think it's comfy.
Oh, comfy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Nothing to do with that.
Yeah. I'll just burn my hands on it. It's alright. No side intrusion bars or funny car cage.
Well, it definitely is side intrusion, just unbolted.
Yeah.
But
no, but at the moment.
Yeah. Does that feel comfy?
As far as driver's seat?
Yeah.
Oh, you've just mounted the seat. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
it's good. It's low. I like it.
Yeah, 100%. Trying to get
this with helmet room and everything like that.
Absolutely, yeah. And then feel the parachute where it is.
Yep.
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 Happy with shifter and the parachute.
Yeah, mine there. Everyone always bitches and goes bang and smacks their head into it. And, I mean, mine's good because it's like that.
Yeah,
but
100%. With race cars, absolutely. But with the street car stuff, when he hasn't got this doing it, we can just flip it up and then keep it up out the way.
Yeah.
Especially because it's about to go to paint, so we just got this final couple of little pieces to do, and then she's all happy. So feel good, like where it is.
Yeah. I'm the worst person to ask because I broke my
go
left shoulder.
Oh
no,
yeah.
I broke my left shoulder, so this side I'll be like, yeah. This side I'm like, ow.
Yeah.
But.
And the guy's my height as well, so.
Well, you better weld it well tight.
Yeah.
Get it well tight.
Yeah.
I'll see your forklift, I'll raise you a... What noise is that making?
There is something between the whips.
I thought you just ran over your cat. So disappointingly, and I think it was our own fault, we kind of broke the bumper slightly here when we were unloading it at MotorEx. We thought somebody else had done it, but we must have been just so tired and so much of a hurry to unload it. Thankfully, it's not too bad. We can fix it from the inside and then wrap over it or put a sticker over it. But yeah, a bit of a bummer. That bumper's been in very good condition for a long time. So, what kind of pizza is that?
Delicious Nutella pizza.
The look on your face says it all. Fancy holding that with your other non-Nutella hand?
Sure.
Fancy box.
What is it?
It's a box. Polished too. Awkward. Awkward. It says light series, it is freaking light. Now, that is a very nice tail shaft, I don't want to scratch it. Thank you, GJ. You've done an amazeballs job. Yeah, and Matt is like, never met the guy, met him today the first time. Super cool dude. Like just, yeah, I don't know. Just one of those, he's a car guy, loves dealing with other car guys. Yeah, nice. And I do. Yeah, the amount of cars I saw yesterday, like I said to him, I took a couple of photos of the mirrors on some of the show cars in the reveal hall where there was like a GJ shaft right there. And there's cars that are like painted beautifully and but they haven't touched the shaft. They've left it as a GJ shaft. They haven't done custom paint jobs and everything. I guess Yeah, painting it might mess up the balance anyway, but yeah.
So we're gonna get that
And shove it in there.
into there. Do you want me to keep filming? Funny guy.
We might be able to go through here.
Take this end off,
Yeah,
pull
yeah.
it across, and then you'll be able to.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's a Dean sound effect.
Nah,
That's the Greek in him.
That's it.
Then we do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We cut him. And she. Mwah. Do you guys want a light?
Yeah.
You always brighten up our lives, Dean.
Do you let Mez hold the camera up? Okay, that is not metric, that is imperial, and that is a 1316, I believe. Damn American crap.
Want me to put a track locator in it?
If you say, like, the main thing with me, dude, is like literally, I know how busy you are.
Yeah.
So it's like, if Dean wants to do it and it happens, then I'll just be like, dude, take money.
Yeah. Check it out. You just bang your drain pipe at the back here. We put a plebis here. Just run a track locator to this front.
So what do you, I'd say remove that. Yeah.
And then little clevis at the front, runs out, splades out to the front too.
Yep.
And then we'll just make sure that all your hardware has washers and it comes through on the nylox, and yeah, we'll change all them. You can see you've had them through there for a while.
Yeah. So I've got new bolts for here, and for here, and for here,
Yep.
and for there.
Yep.
So it was 2 nights before friggin' MotorEx, I'm like, not a panic.
Let's just get it done.
It's not going to be under power.
Yeah. No, absolutely.
so-
No, it's fine.
So that can be, let's give the camera a bit of a
Trying to hide from the camera, are you?
Try breaking that and then we'll be able to
Yeah.
I didn't put my lipstick on this one.
lick cracking.
My big oil's got no paint on him, mate.
Somebody told me last night, they're like, these shocks aren't stone.
Actually, I'm pretty sure my words were these are going in the bin.
They're
You're gonna need a lot of,
marketplace.
so you're gonna need a lot of polishing, mate.
You've been watching the LG movies. We're more worried about these through here. But,
Nah, the uni will be here. So
so,
it'll be fine. And remember, it's not going to articulate from here. It'll be articulating mostly at that end.
and these are definitely not being used.
That's
We're ready to go.
Now polish it.
We're ready to go.
That's a thumbnail.
Ready to go.
That's a thumbnail.
Ready to go.
That's a
ready to go.
thumbnail.
Yeah.
It'll be me from a distance like this.
You're gonna get the GJ's logo. You're gonna be like,
Grab the lube.
yeah, you need to lube up my tip.
No, days.
About this yoke, it's a bit strange.
Hey, it's a boy.
Hello.
That was. Don't start. Don't start.
Fan out. There you
Don't
go.
start.
Look at the smiles. It says it all, doesn't it?
It's been some time, hasn't it? Come on. She's not. Not on the concrete. There you go. What do you think? Just spin it. What's the thing with concrete? Right, hammer.
Was it as good for you as it was for him?
This could be all good.
Oh, did you see where that landed?
Oh, look at that. There you go.
Okay.
Someone didn't go. Yeah, so we're about 90 out, so move this for your shock, slide that. Product placement.
Yeah. Not doing this superb at all. This is the first time people have seen the new logo.
Yes, yeah, look at that.
Gonna reach in and do that.
Where's the DG going?
Figure it out.
We'll figure it out. Put it in neutral. Bang. It's not like a where you're like there for 3 weeks going, what gear's it in?
Beautiful slippers.
I'm complaining life.
Just drill some holes and put some zip ties in it.
Oh, you popped it back out.
Yeah. And it'll like literally, stand him there with his logo on the background. See on the sub?
You gonna what? Oh, yep.
I'm not as tall as you.
Yeah.
The pan's not flat.
That's just how the pan is.
Is that?
But no, the trans is bent.
That means all the oil's going to sit at the front.
Pull it back out. Oh, I think it's just a bit of grit there, man. It's like your car's been parked for some time.
Yeah.
When we have it up, we'll just change in the billet ones.
Yeah. Right, yeah.
Speed Pro. Beautiful, man.
We even put it in with the label pointing down. Oh, this will tie in nicely to that video we shot today. So when we took it roll racing, it just wanted to do big burnouts.
With roll racing, you obviously want to plant the tyre and run it out.
Yeah.
With that chassis, with that bar angle there, it would have tried to pull the chassis to the tyre like that.
Yeah. Put the trans cooler there instead of at the front now.
What is that, a 29? Yeah, or go on to a smaller tyre. Or put it on slicks. I'm not opposed to any of these. I just like going fast.
I've got wheelie bars for it. I've got to replace the top bars because the tow truck guy bent them.
I know a guy.
Yeah. I've got the joints, I've got the ends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what?
It's kind of disappointing because I'm like, stop!
Too late.
Yeah. He's like, no, should be alright. Yeah.
Nah,
You're probably wondering how we got here.
I reckon we'll bang that bolt up there, and then we'll just see where that bottom placement ends up being. Because right now you got too much pinion angle, and these are going down, uphill for more so like a slick or to pull the chassis to the car. So by putting that there, we'll just see where they sit and where things come up, because you'll be limited by your adjusters as well of how much pinion angle we can do. Anyone that says that ladder bars are outdated and stuff like that, just don't know how to set them up.
You know who told me to do this and who basically ran us through what to do? Was James Grooverider.
Oh.
Yeah, the postcard.
Enough said.
Yeah. Well, that ran like, what, on 28 by 9s? Yeah.
Yeah, fast car and tow, stand up, man. But clearance wise, man, this is going to be tight.
Right, so there's Will, there's Mez. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this video. Yes. So we're here, the car's on the hoist, it's here for storage purposes, but maybe more. What do you reckon of the car? Like,
yeah, it's going to do everything you need it to do. We just need to refine some things. Bit of an old school thing going from a like big tyre. Like, how big was the tyre?
33, 10.5.
Like, that's the same size as what's on the Fairlane. Like, that's a big tyre. Now you want to go radial racing and stuff like that. Obviously, some geometry needs to change for the suspension and update the parts. Like, what power did it make back then?
Oh, well, we never got raced. It was roll raced.
Oh, so with a roll
900
racing,
horsepower at the hubs.
yeah, at 900 horsepower, you're not really asking much of the chassis to do too much. At the power that this is expected to make and that turbo is capable of, definitely need to change some things and like update a couple of things, like maybe the shocks and a couple other bits and pieces. But I think seat time's going to be the main thing. But yeah, look.
And also like all that stuff written on the back there, I've got all the data in the world as well and everything to help me.
Absolutely. But yeah, I suppose one of the things that's going to be is just clearances. Now you've got that big banger GJ tail shaft in it, and we haven't got the clearance that we need, so we're going to have to change a couple of bits and pieces to acquire some room.
Better get some 1mm discs. Yeah, no, nope.
So,
yeah.
But nah, looks killer. The livery looks sick.
Thanks, man.
I want to hear cool car noises.
Yeah, me too. Will wants to sit in it and make brum brum noises again. Literally not filmed anything today, and for no real reason anyway. There's nothing worth filming, but we're on our way back to Adelaide. We've got 120 k's to go. I've been blessed to let old mate Will here jump in and have a steer so I can chill and kick back. But yeah, it's been an awesome trip, and we have no drag car or trailer on the back now. That is literally just two little things on my Apple. So, but no, it's in good hands. I'll be back over soon enough to do some more stuff on it. That dude doesn't have his headlights on, that's sketchy. But yeah, some good updates to put out, I think, from boring old me. So, great trip, and thanks to everyone that said g'day. It was good to meet some really cool people